Greetings from Caneo beach in Ohrid. It is 2nd of November 2025 and this is how the beach looks like on a rather hot November day. It is 16 degrees Celsius in the air and this is right below the church of Saint Caneo. You can see how the water looks like. It looks stunning. And there are several entries into the water in sense of steps. Yes, I'm in Ohrid, Macedonia, and on this sunny Sunday it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. There are some tourists here today that are walking around the coast, mostly foreign ones. But the bathing season is obviously over for most of the people, except for me. So you can see how the setting looks like. And we are gonna go for a swim in the lake Ohrid today. There are also some boat tours that are starting or stopping here at Caneo. And wonderful sunny day in Ohrid. Yes, I was earlier at the church, St. Caneo, that's over there. You can't see it now from behind the trees, but
I think the lights are,
and let me show you more around the beach.
That is him. She's looking for him up there. Ruth!
There are quite some tourists today on this Sunday.
Wife is looking for you?
thank you so much.
And now let's get into the lake. It looks amazing indeed. And it's time for another beach adventure with Chris on this Sunday, 2nd of November, as I have this wonderful view today. I measured the temperature in the lake earlier. It was 17 degrees Celsius in the lake and we have around 16 in the air, but bear in mind that is under shadow. Under sun is definitely over 20 degrees for sure. With that said, it's time for Chris to go into the water and enjoy a nice swim in the Ohrid lake, this beautiful, clean, deep lake that is protected by UNESCO. And yeah, from Kaneo beach, and maybe you can see some from some parts of the church that I have visited earlier. It's time to go for a swim. So let's go. It's amazing. What a wonderful day to be taking a swim in the lake. The tourists have on themselves winter clothes and I'm here with a swimsuit. And this is out of the 3 beaches I have visited so far in Ohrid, and even the one that I visited in Struga on my 4 beach adventures here in this weekend. This one is the best for sure because the views are stunning with the cliffs and overlooking a church as well. And there are many foreign tourists now that I can see that are enjoying this wonderful sunny weekend at Caneo in Ohrid. So to get here from the center of the city you need to walk a bit up, and you can also visit the Samuel Fortress and the ancient theater on the way as well. So yeah, I just can't believe I'm taking a swim in Ohrid in November. It is insane, but also quite relaxing and nice. Beautiful indeed. And of course I'm the only person that is taking a swim. So Ohrid you can find... Oh, fun fact about Ohrid is that there are 365 churches like this one over here, 365. So one church per day. For every day of the year you can go to a different church in this small city in Macedonia, I would say. Not so many people live here permanently, but during the summer there are lots and lots of tourists. So that's a wrap from Caneo beach in Ohrid. That means that we have to wrap up and for me to enjoy a longer swim in the lake Ohrid. Thanks a lot and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.